dear moms, I'm going to show you how to wrap Bengkung belly binding wrap. I measure my arm length and then I take the double amount of length wrap and I keep on my shoulder. Then I start wrapping first protective layer. Now I am 5 feet 2 inches, so I'm not so tall. That's why I can give myself enough amount of plain layer. But if you are like tall, 5.8 or 5.9, then you can reduce the amount of this protective layer. As you see, I'm overlapping them very generously, but it's not so important. So I spread around and then I make this kind of protective layer so that the bulging Bengkung knots doesn't go inside my protrude inside my abdominal muscles, six-pack muscles. And after I'm done wrapping plain, I will take the other side and then, as you see from the back side, I pull it down and create a strong knot on the bottom. Sometimes if you want to reduce the hip size postpartum, you can come down even further down. But for now, I'm okay with this. And then, this is not a edited video, it's raw and it took me just 5 minutes to wrap this wrap. And of course, I'm already using the wrap for several years, so my hands are used to it. So as you see, the piece which is on my shoulder, it always stays on my shoulder. It comes and rotates around the longer side of the wrap and goes back to my shoulder. And the other part goes in the same direction all the time. We don't pull it opposite directions. We rotate it all the time to the same direction. And the shoulder piece comes down, rotates around the longer part, and goes back again to the shoulder. This is a new wrap, but it will be easier to wrap once the wrap is used, because it won't have that rolls. As you see, I'm in between. I'm taking out the scrolled fabric, new fabric. So I go, as you see, the new fabric is usually gets scrolled up. So for me, for my height, I get around 12 pieces of knots in the middle. But depending on your torso length, you may get like different numbers of knots. But it doesn't matter. The main thing is you bind around your six-pack muscles. So I'm showing you close up again. So by the way, our Bengkung belly binding wraps are now available to purchase with your FSA and HSA cards. So we are very much excited to tell you about that. that's it. We are done. Just 5 minutes.